In this video we will show you how to create a 2D representation of a 3D object in Luso Cad, using the FlatShot command. FlatShot can create a projection of any 3D object that we can place on our drawing, essentially flattening it. In this example we have this 3D floor plan. We can use 3D orbit to find the perspective we want to use FlatShot on. We will simply use an isometric view for this example. Select all objects and activate the FlatShot command. Here we can customize the way our FlatShot will be created. Since we want the projection to be a single block, we will leave the destination as is. We can choose to export the FlatShot as a file, but since we want to have it in our current drawing, there is no need. Now we can choose a color and line type for the created block. The foreground lines will be those closer to the FlatShot angle, and the obscured ones those blocked by the foreground. Let's choose not to display the obscured lines for now. Now wait for the model to appear and click anywhere on the drawing. Since we are placing a 2D drawing, it's more comfortable to use the top-down view. We will be asked for the X and Y scale and the rotation. We will press Enter 3 times to leave everything as default. We can now see our created FlatShot. Let's orbit the drawing to see. Now let's do the same. But this time we will choose to display the obscured lines. We will make them red so we can distinguish them. Here we have the correctly created FlatShot. Finally, let's say we want to create a FlatShot double the size of the original. Let's also create it from another angle, different from the precise isometric one. We would do the same process but enter 2 when the X and Y scale is prompted. And we're done. Now you can easily render 3D objects into 2D blocks or Luso Cad files.